Hello everyone, my name is Connor Martin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your work-life Google Calendar using Telegram in under 7 minutes. Let's get right into it. First, we need to grab our Telegram trigger. Choose on message, and you will have to set up your Telegram credentials. If you haven't seen my tutorial on how to set this up in 2 minutes, it'll be linked down below. So let's quickly go through this. We have been connected. All right, let's test to see if Telegram is working. I'm going to text my bot, hello, and as we can see, it is working. You see the text on here says hello. So we are good to go for setting up Telegram. Now we need to add our AI agent. And source for prompt, we need to define below because we are going to be taking the Telegram chat, putting in the prompt. Then at our chat model, I will be using OpenAI. You again need to set up your credentials, go into OpenAI, API keys, create new key. I've already done this, so I do not have to. I'm going to be using 4.0. And we are good to go. And we have OpenAI running with our AI agent. Next, we need to add our Google Calendar tool. What you will need to do is set up your credentials again. So go into Google Calendar API, enable, API service, credentials, create credentials, click into here, then copy and paste the ID and secret. Then I'm going to choose my personal email. And we do not want this to start now. We want to be able to tell the AI when exactly our meeting will be booked. So we are going to let the model define this as well as the end. Then we are going to need to add a summary. Let AI define this because we will be talking in Telegram. And then we need to add a description. You guessed it. Let the model define this as well. Next, we need to add a Gmail tool. Again, credentials. Come into the cloud, Gmail, API, enable, same process. 2, we are going to let AI define this, as well as the subject. Email type needs to be text, message. We will let AI handle this. Append NAN. We don't want the bottom of our message saying from NAN. We want it to look like it is from us, the user. Now we need to create a Google Sheets. Here's the one I will be using. I named it Telegram Contacts. I will be representing Ben Miller. So shout out to all the Ben Millers watching this video. And it's just fake contacts with fake emails. So let's grab that tool, Google Sheets tool. And again, go into the cloud, search Google Sheets, and you will set your credentials up. I know it's annoying, but once you get it done once, you'll be good to go. Tools, set manually. I have one ready. You could just pause the video and copy what I used. Documents, mine was called Telegram Contacts, Sheets, just one. Then I'm going to rename this Get Contacts so the bot knows exactly where I'm looking when we put in our prompt message. And now you are looking good. Now we need to make sure the AI agent knows what to do. So we need to set the prompt system message. I already have something created, so feel free to pause the video and copy. And it is crucial to us to add this now. So when we go into Telegram and send a message saying tomorrow or Saturday, the bot knows exactly what time it is currently, so it can act accordingly. So let's test this workflow. Jump back into Telegram and Send this message. And yeah, you see there is an error in simple memory. So let's jump into simple memory and figure this out. We need to change the session ID to define below. Then we need to take the chat ID and put it inside the key. Now let's test this workflow again and jump back into Telegram. Let's send the same message. Now when we go back into our canvas, you see everything is green check marks. Let's check our Gmail. Meeting scheduled for tomorrow from Mr. Krabs. Schedule, we have a meeting with Ben Miller from 8 to 9. Now let's make sure Telegram sends us a confirmation text every time we book an appointment. Navigate here, add a Telegram tool, send a text message, make sure you connect it to the same Telegram account we did before. Navigate to chat ID. Output needs to be in the text. Don't forget to append NAN, and let's test step. Good to go. As you can see in Telegram, we got the confirmation text. It also provides us a link to Google Calendar just so we can go directly to our appointment. Of course, if you wanted your meetings to be 30 minutes or 2 hours, you can simply adjust that in the Google Calendar tool, or you can simply use the prompt in the AI agent. That's the nice thing about NAN is it's fully customizable to your needs. Just like that, you guys have automated your work-life calendar using NAN and Telegram. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.